What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. I gotta keep my eyes on the road because we are in deep Atlanta traffic. We are headed up to the Smoky Mountains. I left about 6 or 7 hours ago. I'm actually stopping at a place called Merit Partners that has a pretty cool collection of exotic cars for sale. They're letting me store the trailer so I can drive my GT3 up in the mountains and enjoy a couple of my favorite roads driving up there. So a little sleepy, but not too bad. I got a decent night's rest. I'm just excited to enjoy the car in the mountains. Claire had a live stream today, so she's actually driving up separate, so we'll be catching up with her probably sometime tomorrow. So today, it's just me. There should be some guys in the Smokies, a small little GT crowd. We're in the GT3 now. I really regret throwing out this bag of popcorn that I had, so I'm hungry. Atlanta's been rough. I've almost got hit like 3 times, so I'm a little bit anxious right now. That's why I haven't been filming. We're 2 hours out from the Smokies. It feels like home without actually being home. I love it up here. The fun's just beginning. The anticipation of driving in the mountains is my favorite part. I'm not gonna go crazy with GoPros right off the bat. I just threw one inside on the rollcade. This is the beginning of the road. I think this is technically called Blood Mountain. It goes out into the distance. There's a little veer off of it called Wolf Pen Gap that's pretty popular, but I don't think we're gonna hit it today because I want to get to the place where we're staying in time to get some food. So I'm just excited. Being up here just puts the biggest smile on my face. Compared to the last time that I was here, there are a few more differences with the GT3. I currently have it aligned with more of a track setup, so there's a little bit more camber in the front, generates a little bit more front grip than it did before. But the biggest difference is now that I got the Dundon crack pipe in the back, this thing's like 10 times louder than it was last time, so the exhaust sounds in this mountain are going to be amazing. Waking up in the Smokies and getting to walk out on my deck and see this thing chilling. Man, it's gonna be a good day. Going out with a small group, we're gonna hit some roads. Today we're gonna hit more of the popular roads since it's Friday and they get really busy over the weekend. So I'm excited, gonna go grab some breakfast and we'll go head out. adrenaline rush ride. I love this place. Hearing the car's echo. I hope the GoPro sound clips do it justice. This little lodge on the side of one of the driving roads. So beautiful here. Made a quick stop by Deal's Gap. I don't even think we're gonna do the Dragon because there's so much traffic. There's like a whole Fiat group. Cool little spot if you guys have never been here. A little souvenir store. I just bought some waters. If you guys notice in any of the footage, I'm driving a bit slower than usual. After speaking with people, I realized I was kind of like beating myself up because I'm like, man, how come I can't keep up with anybody this trip? So I started talking and talking and talking. And I don't know why I never thought about this, but I've heat cycled my tires probably 10 to 20 times between all the track days and driving I've done. There's 7,000 miles on them, and these are the same tires that came with the car. With all the track days and everything, I felt my rubber compared to everyone else's, it's like rock hard. Definitely due for new tires, so I'm just taking it a bit easier. I actually noticed it most in the rear, so I can't get on throttle as early as I'd like, but the car will start to get loose. find a group of Fiats. But this was one of the roads where I first rode in a GT3RS with Sean. It was the first time I've ever been in RS. I was blown away by the amount of grip in that car. Fast forward 2 or 3 years later, it's crazy to be on the same road in my own RS. Still doesn't feel real driving this car. I'm so grateful. Look who made it to the Smokies. Galette. How was your first experience?
It was cool. I think I was going during like a rush hour version of it, so there's a lot of traffic, but it was really, really pretty. It honestly reminded me of the Connecticut roads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel that. I feel that. Maybe that's why I love it so much.
Yeah.
But I can finally show off her brand new GT3RS. Look, we're like a bowl of fruit. Just 2 fruits in a bowl. So we'll talk more about this later. We're late for dinner, so we're gonna go rip over to dinner. Let's take the orange instead of the lime, okay?
Hey, okay.
All right, so we're heading to a place called Waya Road. This is one of my favorite roads of the last trip. I actually think I filmed a little video with Tommy there. I had some GoPro footage. I'm excited because I think, have you been in this car on the track at all? I don't think you have.
Wait, did I have the front?
I don't think so.
No.
I think you should rode in the Evo, but not this. But I feel like GT cars are really underwhelming until you put them in the right habitat, so I'm excited for Colette to finally experience this car on roads of how it's meant to be driven. So
I'm excited to see what these roads are all about.
Yeah. It could be a good day. Ready?
Yep.
I love the noises. corners and really focus on walking the wheel out, or it'll want to start kind of overstepping. But it's very controllable.
I just have the biggest smile on my face the whole time.
The noises are what does it.
Yes.
How cool are these switchbacks? This was my favorite part last time. This is where you start to feel the downforce of these cars. Today we're stopping in Robbinsville for this cute little coffee shop, lunch place. So it's our last day, and this morning we are going to go on a drive on a very cool road called Wolf Pen, and I'm just trying to help Colette get some rad shots of the GT3RS for her channel. So we got her car all mic'd up in the rear, she's got GoPros in the front, so she's going to make a video of really kind of like your first reactions really pushing this thing.
Yeah, I'm glad I went with you first yesterday, so now I kind of know what to expect.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been fun like being in the back on roads that you don't know, and
I wouldn't have been able to keep up with you and Chris. You guys were sending it. I would have been in the second group, which would have still been fun, but it's cool to experience it as passenger first, and then next year I'll drive. So
her car's all set up. We're gonna go. I've got a few more cameras on my car just to try to get some more audio. Actually, I don't know if I included the clip, but I lost a GoPro in back. They don't like to stay on this bumper. Either they stay really good or they don't stay at all. So hopefully this one will stay and the audio won't be completely blown out, but we are going to go for a drive and we'll see how this thing keeps up. My friend Christian's gonna join us too in his Ferrari. That thing's really cool. overall, I'd say it was an insanely successful Smokies trip. I got to enjoy this thing for the first time in a long time. I get to finally give Colette the GT car / Smokies bug. How did this thing do? I never got to talk to you afterwards.
It was great. I mean, I think I definitely want more power, obviously, and it's a little laggy. That's like my only complaint, but like the brakes are great. Never done.
Yeah, let's downpipe. That's what you need.
Well, what I need is a louder car. I couldn't even hear myself over you, so I'm gonna make the car louder and better tires, but it was fun.
So this thing, I didn't notice any huge rock chips, but the same exact place as last time. It's gonna be kind of hard to see in the video. I hit another thing. Last time it was a piece of drywall and I kind of scuffed up my lip, scuffed up all the PPF on here. So hopefully maybe I can just have this lower section redone. But that's what PPF is for. And these lips are super cheap. They're like $100. I got a bunch more little chips and stuff on my windshield, but hopefully most of them are just in like the protecting film I have in it. But yeah, overall, it's been a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't really vlog that much, but there's a lot of driving footage. I know you guys always want it with this car and you always want exhaust noise, so I did my best to try to capture that. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate it, and I'll see you soon.